Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one that comes by way of James from Lakeside, California. Thanks, man. I really appreciate it. This is Snapdragon vegetable pho. They've kind of, over the years, redone their packaging. It's low cal, it's $2.20 for the whole bowl. But, 3 to 5 minutes, put everything in, yada, yada, yada. So, it comes in a bowl. I already took the liberty of putting the noodles in the bowl. And then you just drop in this, what some people like to call the sachet, but it's actually sachet. It's a French term. It's not a basket, or a tasket, it's a sachet. And as I remember these often do, the seasoning in the sachet has clumped, but that's okay, we can live with that. It's gonna get wet, it's gonna lose its clumpiness. The only thing I really dislike about these bowls is the size of them. They're very cumbersome, they're very unruly. I generally don't like the bowls. I don't like them. They spill. They spill. I don't spill. The bowls do. But pour this in. There's some oil. Man, I really need to take the trash out. Do you hear me? I need to take the trash out. I did up some chicken this morning and gotta take the chicken package out. You know how chicken packages are. You know. Okay, so now we gotta put the... It doesn't even fit in the freaking bowl! I have an issue with that. And a big mass of water on the hob. The last one I did was a British variety, so I'm pleased with myself for knowing they like to use the term hob. I'm sorry, it wasn't British, it was from Ireland. You set that on top and you do it 3 to 5 minutes. Since it's a rice noodle, I like to do 5. Don't want to have any chance of that. Just a refresher course in the show, what I do is I review instant noodles, and I've been doing so since 2002. Really, most of the reviews I've done have been since 2010. From 2002 to 2010, I did about 16 with long hiatuses. And, yeah. Cover your cough, cover your sneeze. Then you won't spread disease. Man, you know what I got? I keep going, when I go out walking and stuff, it's usually raining or cold or wet or whatever. And frickin' just like the edges of the inside of my nostrils. Oh my god, forget about it. I mean, they're like cracked. Like if I go like this, oh. Yeah. Unfun. So, let's do our quote of the day from our book, Momo Fukuendo Speaks. Quotations from the guy who invented the instant noodle. Number 116. Just good tasting is not enough to sell well. Develop food that consumers will love to eat over and over again. Those are called heavy users in the industry. Heavy users. Yeah, that's actually like somebody who goes to the store and just buys tons and tons of like cheap instant noodles. They're called heavy users, and they are valued by instant noodle industry because they buy them over and over. You know, they put money in their pockets. But one thing that always gets me, it's like you got chicken, you got beef, you got shrimp. What about pizza? They got it in Pakistan. They got it in Serbia, Miles. Yeah, they make pizza instant noodles over in Serbia.
I have timer.
You know what? You want the timer? No. You want your own timer?
Yes.
Maybe. I'll talk to Santa, okay? Okay. How you doing today, Miles?
I'm good.
You good? You excited? Getting close to Christmas?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you, no, there's hot stuff back here. Did you finish your lunch? Thank you, buddy. I'll get you your added snack bonus. Okay? That's right, you get your twisty snack. Oh, you're creeping up on me. Try to keep you away from the hot, spicy, or the hot, painful stuff. I don't want to see you getting burnt. That would be sad as can be. I want to rock!
Ah!
I want to rock!
Ah!
I want to rock!
Ah!
Rock!
Ah!
Rock!
Ah!
You do it.
I want to rock.
Rock!
Rock.
Rock!
Rock.
Rock!
Want to rock.
Rock!
Rock.
Rock!
Rock.
Rock!
I want to
Rock!
rock.
Rock!
Rock.
Rock!
I want
Rock! Here you go. Can you close the gate? That. Thank you, buddy. Good job. He wants to rock, ladies and gentlemen. And Miles does rock. As you can see, we got 38 seconds to go on this bowl. I'm gonna look because I bet you it's done. Oh yeah, we're good. Y'all done? Gotta be careful, there's hot stuff now. I don't want this to spill on you and it's an exuberance. Okay. I'm gonna pour this out into here. Someday, I hope one of my children will follow in my footsteps and take the reins, the mantle as it were, of the Ramen Raider. Would you like that, Miles? Would you like to be the predecessor of the Ramen Raider? Or do you want to be a race car driver? Race car driver. Well, you like music. He's really, really into music, ladies and gentlemen. What's your favorite music?
I want to rock.
Yeah. You like Funky Fanfare by Keith Mansfield on Amazon Music, huh?
Yeah.
You want to try this? You do?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You're really picky. Whoa. Now you're encroaching. Here you go. No thanks? Okay. Go. I'll get you your drinks in a second, okay? I'm almost done. Want to watch me eat it?
Yeah.
Okay. That's not bad. Vegetable, huh? I don't know. They just pack these down with noodles and you don't get any broth. And like the main thing about pho is the broth. But I could see a focus group going, yeah, there's like a bunch of broth, but there's not a lot of food, and this is my lunch. I know. We gotta go out there and find the plastic part, and I can put the tire on it, and then you're rocking and rolling, right? All right. Go, go, go. Go, 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 please, sir. Well, look for the plastic thing the tire goes on, and then I'll put it on it, and then it'll be happy. Not a lot to put on this. I've got some coriander. Learned a new trick out of trying. So, whenever we get home, I always put the, we always take the, what do you call it? The rubber bands off the spring onions. Note, do that with the cilantro too. It'll live longer. It's like looking way more perky than it usually does at this point. And then a little bit of, that's about as all we got here today. Don't have any beef, it's vegetable flavor, so maybe a little bit of this. Oh, we're down to 20 minutes. 20 minutes till my daughter's class. Well, that was fun. Getting joined by Miles for today's episode. He's a good kid. He is, he really is. There we go. Yeah, so that one's a little better than I expected. It's a pretty basic pho, not a lot of broth, and yeah. Alright. Manaz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.